Hi there, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing good. So today we are going to see another Jenkins video. So today we are going to see how to do backup and restore. So let's get started with today's video. So let's say if you want to move your old Jenkins server data to your new Jenkins servers, or let's say normal backup also you need of your job, so then you can use any extension. So here I'm using Thinbackup. So you can go to plugins, there you can go to available plugins, you can install, and if you have already installed, then go to install plugins to check if that is installed properly or not. So here let's choose thin backup and now install. So download progress. So you can also restart Jenkins after installation as complete. So now go to install plugins, and now if you write thin backup, so it's on also and it's installed. So now you can go to manage Jenkins, and if you will go down, so there will be section in tools that you can see for thin backup. So here let's go. So here now you can see backup and restore, both options are provided. So firstly, for backup we need to define some configuration. So let's go to system in manage Jenkins. So here thin backup configurations you can see. So here you need to pass your backup directory, that if when Jenkins starts a backup, then where it should store those files. So you can provide the path. So I'm providing just where Jenkins home. So let's change that to backup now, and here you can provide backup schedule time, maximum number of backup sets, which file you want to exclude, and there are many other options that you can set according to your requirements. So here three options are checked, that stop the backup as soon exception occurs. So now let's save. So now let's go to thin backup, start backup. So it's not showing anything, so let's go to configuration once again. So here it says it's not writable, so let's give one more where temp folder. Now let's save. Let's again now go to thin backup and backup now. So let's go to Jenkins server, and there I'm going to inside where temp. So here you can see one folder is there, and if you will go and ls that folder, so here you can see so many files are there. So these are backup done through thin backup. So here one jobs folder is there. So inside this job, so whichever job you have run, and all the job information will be here inside this. So if you will go to thin backup again, and if you will click on restore, so same drop down and you can see same backup is coming here. You can restore that. So let's say on new Jenkins server you install this thin backup, and there you put this backup, and then you can use the restore option, and this will restore all your jobs information, everything in new Jenkins server. So that's how you can do backup and restoration in Jenkins. So I have created a very small and quick video for this backup. I hope you like this video. If you have any doubt, then you can comment down in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.